We're at deck 8 forward, and we are walking into what we believe, looking at the map, is the only laundry facility on the ship of the Disney, let's open that up, on the Disney Wish, the Fairytale Fresh Laundry. As you go in, there's this little room to the front. It's actually bright and cheery, and just places you can sit and wait as your laundry is going. We've been onto these and have several videos out there related to these on several ships, but this is definitely the nicest one we've seen, as you can tell here. Here's the procedures. There's several machines in the entire facility, and we'll walk around it. You can see there's a soap center. You can buy different things right here. So that's kind of cool. But you basically check for the available machine. If the door is closed, turn the knob to the unlock position, load the machine, place your key card, and tap here. And let's go over here and look at a couple just to kind of get an idea of what they are. So these are the various machines that you will see. You'll see the bottom, the washer and a dryer. The bottom is the washer. The top is the dryer. And what you would essentially do is tap your card, or I'm assuming you could also tap your magic band and to actually use the washer and dryers there. As we turn the corner, a lot of the locations, that's all you have. But if you keep going, so let's come back. She's asked me, did I see the price? Let's take a look here. So the Snuggle is how much?
50 cents.
Snuggle is 50 cents.
Tide is $1.
Tide is $1. So that's how much you pay for the Snuggle and the Tide in here. As you go along the walls, there really are a lot of washers and dryers, and it really makes me think that this is for the entire ship. As you can see, there's just several along the way here. We back up. You can see also along these walls, we've been through half of it essentially. There's several little stations for irons and ironing boards. There's 2 there. There's 3 right here.
So there is no need to pack your iron and have it confiscated.
Yeah, no need to pack an iron or a steamer. We're kind of amazed when you go on these cruises and you see the tables of things that have been confiscated. It's very often irons and steamers. You can see one here being used. 23 minutes left. There we are. I'm not sure how many total they have. We can see to 26 right there is dryer 26. So it makes me think there are that many. So you can just keep going around. And at first we thought, wow, this is several. On several of the ships, there's probably 5 or 6 of these around the entire ship, but only, you know, about 5 or 6 washers and dryers. And in this one, it appears that there's about 25 of them.
28 dryers.
28 dryers, she just said. So there are an awful lot of them. Back here, see more of those ironing boards. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ironing boards. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more irons and ironing boards there. So there's at least 10 ironing boards and irons as well. As you
Number 29.
Here's number 29. So I'm not sure the total. Just know that there's plenty of space in here for you to come in, wash and dry your clothes. We always tend to bring enough clothes to last the entire time, but I understand if you're on a long trip or you want to pack lightly, you may be wanting to use one of these. And these are fairly simple. Of course, you just tap your card. It goes to a room charge, and that's what it would be. Again, this is up on deck 8 forward of the ship. On the Wish, there's only forward and aft, so the front and the back, it's the front set of elevators. So, hey, this is the washer and dryer center. You can see back here is more of the soap and so forth. But that's what you see here at the Fairytale Fresh Laundry. Hope this helps you. Thank you so much for watching us.